Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we will be learning how to do some simple movements in Scratch. New scratches. Here is your place. So let's name this project Simple Movement Guide. Okay. So we can keep Scratchy today. So let's go into Events and grab a When Key Press block. Click on the space part of it and the right arrow. Okay. Then go into Motion and grab a Change X by 10. So now when we use the right arrow, Scratchy moves to the right. So we're gonna next get another one of these When Space Key Press blocks. And we're gonna, this time it's gonna be left arrow, and then we're gonna get another Change X by 10 block, but this time it's gonna be minus 10. Okay, so now when we press the left arrow, Scratcher goes left, and when we press the right arrow, Scratcher goes right. Very simple. Lovely. Okay, we're gonna do up and down now, so we'll get a when up arrow and when down arrow. Get a motion, go into Motion and get a Change Y by. So when up arrow key press, change Y by 10, and when down arrow key press, change Y by minus 10. So let's try that. Wow, so now we can go left, right, up and down. Okay, next is jump. So we're gonna get a when space key press to keep it in space. We're gonna go into Control and get a repeat 10 and another repeat 10. So we're gonna get Change Y by 10 and then change Y by minus 10. So now when we press the space key, we've got a simple jumping animation. Isn't that so cool? So we can move up, down, left, right, and we can jump. So you can implement this code into your Scratch game if you're making like an RPG or something. I think it's pretty cool. Hope to see you again soon. I know this was a short one, but goodbye.